Hi there, in this video I'm going to show you how you can quickly generate forecasts on time series data directly inside a Google Sheets spreadsheet. So I got this dataset from Kaggle that shows daily retail sales for a store from 2010 to 2018. And I'm going to use an add-on that I've created called ForecastSheets. You can find it on the Google Workspace Marketplace. I'll add a link to it in the description of this video. The first thing we need to provide the add-on is the cell range for the input data. You can see that the data in this spreadsheet goes all the way down to row 3288. But I'll tell the model to use the data only until row 2900. So that is B2 to B2900. So we can see how the predictions match the actual values. The next thing we need to tell the add-on is where to generate the forecasts. And I want that to be in column C, starting from row 2901, all the way down to where the dates end, which in this case is row 4019. Last but not least, we need to tell the add-on how many data points there are in a season. And we can see from the chart that the pattern repeats itself every year. We also know that the data is of daily frequency. So I'll put the number of days in a year as the input, which is 365. Then click submit. And within less than a minute, the forecast has been generated. And you can see how well the predictions match the actual data. And that's it. In just a few simple steps, we were able to generate accurate forecasts directly in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching, and feel free to leave any feedback or questions in the comments below.